Hello, and welcome back to Cardano Coin, where we bring you the most recent and intriguing ADA news. We're giving away 1,000 ADA to those who are watching. All you have to do is upvote, subscribe, comment Cardano is king, and watch the video to the end to be eligible. The winners will be picked next month and publicized on the community page of the channel. In 2020, Cardano ADA was the center of attention for the whole cryptocurrency sector. It has increased by almost 1,100. And this vibrant new cryptocurrency performs better than both Bitcoin and Ethereum. It is unnecessary to bring up the bitter details of how Cardano lost the throne and how it has been an awful failure thus far. It is foolish to grieve over spilled milk. Just knowing whether Cardano will recapture his former grandeur is crucial. Your definition of a life-changing event is probably this. Although cryptocurrency is still in its early stages of development, it has already experienced many highs and lows due to the potential for it to vanish into oblivion. The likelihood of a recession and stagflation is also lowering industry expectations. The market value of cryptocurrencies could significantly rise if they gain traction. The advancement will help Cardano ADA rise once more. Cardano reached a major milestone on September 28 when it celebrated its 5th birthday. The platform and its incredible community have come a long way throughout the 5 eras of the Cardano roadmap, from Byron to Shelley to Gauguin Basho. Volunteer Cardano is already 5 years old, yet it still appears to be in its early stages. However, the launch of the entire vessel upgrade coincided with this special event and added some flavor to the gathering. It also unveiled new capabilities, such as Node and CLI support for reference scripts and a new Plutus cost model, which provided the biggest benefits of the updates and caused the value of transactions in the blockchains to increase. Additionally, trading volume and development engagement both improved. The market appeared to be in a bullish momentum, and traders and investors appeared prepared to dive into the Cardano pool. In September, whether from retail or institutional investors, the Ethereum killer benefited from the sunshine on the adoption front. For instance, after conducting a referendum, a Swiss cryptocurrency wealth management program introduced support for the ADA coin. We're excited to announce the long-awaited Cardano ADA voting listing, which will establish exchange pairs that are only available to the Swissborg Smart Engine. As excitement spread on social media, members of the Cardinal community expressed their support for the alliance. There are still a few egregious flaws, though. The fact that Cardano ADA has been lagging behind the curve for a while does not change just because it is celebrating its 5th anniversary. What do you believe about attributing Cardano's problems to the current status of the cryptocurrency industry? The market has been somewhat behind, and unfavorable macroeconomic conditions have recently been a key factor in the success of cryptocurrencies, particularly Cardano. The numerous negative pressures on the world economy are growing every day as a result of how volatile the market has stayed throughout the entire crypto crisis. The rate of economic inflation is higher than expected, and the Federal Reserve has serious concerns about this. Additionally, the Fed is expected to adopt a more restrictive stance if the depressing inflation levels rise. Supporters of the Cardinals continue to believe in the cryptocurrency's long-term mess. In the meantime, many requirements are put forth to ensure Cardano's long-term success. But we still can't bask in denial forever. It is okay to ask this at this point. Will Cardano still be proud of its past successes if the macroeconomic conditions remain the same? The positive side. According to Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson, the Cardano blockchain has experienced significant growth over the past few months, and developers are setting new, ambitious targets. The group developing Cardano as a network of blockchains claims that they will build a whole ecosystem of interconnected blockchains to enable seamless data and resource sharing. Investors are wary of increased economic difficulties even as ADA works to build a comeback. Inflation anxiety is fairly prevalent. By its subsequent meeting in November, the Fed is anticipated to raise interest rates by at least 75 basis points. The calm will seem so far away from us while the storm won't let up. Additionally, as you may have read in many stories, Cardano ADA has frequently failed to profit from the cryptocurrency market's fleeting rises. By market capitalization, the most recent one saw the cryptocurrency move up to 9th place. Dogecoin outperformed Cardano ADA, which maintained a total market value of $14.03 billion plus. Cardano's performance for the month as a whole fell by 6.1. The next interest rate increase might not have a significant effect on the cryptocurrency market, and Disco gives ADA plenty of breathing room to regain his composure and drive his price up. This anticipation is reinforced by the neural proffer algorithm's PyTorch-based projection that Cardano will reach the 57-cent level by the end of the month. This system has a history of forecasting future values with reasonable accuracy. With this projection, Cardano's price would increase by more than 40 from its current level, and we would end the year by making up part of the losses from the crypto winter. While hardly the ideal prediction for Cardano investors looking for investments that will change their lives, this could signal the start of a bullish trend. Michael Vanderpump, a crypto trading specialist, has also said that Cardano appears to be a significant long-term location to buy for investments. Vanderpump made the observation that there is a significant likelihood that Cardano will severely retrace after he said epic breakout. The likelihood of a major decline in drawdown on your entry based on the daily time frame is extremely high if you wish to purchase Cardano right now. This indicates that it may easily produce 25 to 30% and remain optimistic. However, you have been declining 25s while perhaps receiving a better entry on the lower levels, he stated. According to the cryptocurrency analyst, he prefers to buy at or below $2.45, since a superior risk to reward ratio is offered by such an entrance point. The negative is where the agony really is. That does not imply that Cardano cannot continue to operate. However, in order to gain admission, you must either wait or search for fascinating levels to watch. I would be circling the $2.45. Second, I would search the regions where we have had the $2 mark. The objective zones for profit taking, according to him, are over $4.40. Based on the impulse waves, where will Cardano focus its attention next? Although you can target for $0.75 and $6.80, you can also do it based on the most recent run, which gets you to $4.40 and $6.50 and $6.50. Of course, you may utilize the Fibonacci extension based on the previous impulse wave. He stated that the highly anticipated development, Cardinal's Vessel Hard Fork Road on September 27, 2020, barely raised the price of the ADA currency. Investors who entered the market early on the day before the hard fork were let down since Cardano did not produce the significant gains they had anticipated. The amount appears to be realistic and attainable in the realm of cryptocurrencies. Cardano has been prevented from fulfilling its goal by a number of problems. It has stayed in the dark and dirty, a long way from its peak. The excitement surrounding the vessel hard fork has died off, and the ADA is now in the icy grip of the challenging market environment. Charles Hoskinson disclosed that, following the recent hard fork, hundreds of projects are now thought to be on the Cardano network. The hard fork might have skyrocketed ADA's price, but the odds are still against it. Although we have not yet seen the new projects, and they are probably not in a position to determine an upward price trajectory, there is nothing wrong with harboring optimistic thoughts. I've seen dozens of tweets similar to this one about predicted project losses. Using Twitter, Charles Hoskinson posted on September 23, 2020, purchasing Cardano at a price between 30 and 37 cents may be a nice value. According to Michael Vanderboom, he tweeted that there might be a chance for a downtrend to break. ADA, it appears that we are building up to the point where the best range to buy from is between 30 and 38 cents. It will, however, be evident in the front run when individuals begin to stack. In that situation, the downtrend's break serves as your long trigger. Although a price rally seems improbable at the moment, buying at a downturn and staying on for the long run might be advantageous. Cardano ADA gains are still being made. A network is made up of more than just the coins. For example, like Ethereum, Cardano enables the execution of smart contracts, and the financial sector is one of its main applications. Cardano's decentralized system intends to promote global banking and financial services. It's a paradigm shift and unquestionably one of the indications that Cardano is in good hands. Of course, an accomplishment that can change your life does not occur suddenly. Price forecasts may differ, but it is certain that this cutting-edge cryptocurrency is prepared for a spectacular rise. It is quite energizing to observe things in that perspective. But what do you think about this? Comment below with your thoughts and let us know. We'll see you in the following video. But in the meantime, check out our other content to see how Cardano is living up to its potential as the Ethereum Slayer. Be careful to always click the subscribe and notification buttons.